Hello guys, welcome back to the Lumley trading video. In this one we are going to be doing some in-depth stock analysis, technical analysis over on First Republic Bank, because it is down over 6% as we're recording this video. Now I think the majority of this is obviously just related to the SVB news, but what are kind of the key technical levels then to be paying attention to from here? So we came into the $33.75 support. You can see this kind of where we had the strong downward move, and now this is where we're starting to consolidate a bit, which is just showing that this level is definitely valid. If we go high, we do currently have which are now resistances at around $43.53.20, and we'll go to $62.25 quickly. So you can see what we've had to do now is all resistances, and the reason for that is we have broken all our standard deviation based support to the downside. Now the good thing with this is whenever you see this, literally 9 times out of 10 a stock will not trade below this value, for a long time. And even if it does, it might be 1 or 2 days, and then they usually tend to bounce back within trading parameters. And really, we would expect to see it back above at least kind of $53 from a technical standpoint. So whenever I see an opportunity like this, there is an opportunity, and that's really just looking at the options and just either holding outright calls or looking to play them through a debit or credit spread. So that's probably what I'll be looking to do over on First Republic. I'll probably be waiting till tomorrow to open the trade, and the reason for that is the premiums will be very elevated today. Tomorrow they will still be elevated for sure, but they would have come down most likely a tiny bit just because it won't be as volatile on the day. Obviously, if the stock's down for 6% on the day, the option volatility is going to be a lot higher than if it opens up and it's up, say, 10% on the day. So I'll be waiting till tomorrow until I start to look to open a trade, but definitely one I'm personally looking to be taking. So just to kind of put that out there, and just so you know, if you take that as a bias, I will be looking to open a position long on it coming into tomorrow's open. So yeah, resistances, and again, these are just going to be kind of targets along the way. The 33.75 still quite close to the 43. Again, I'll be watching it, but it's not going to be a target. And what I mean by watching it is coming for the retest. Are we still failing off this level? If so, probably would have reduced size or maybe wait a bit more or wait a bit longer to get into the trade. But really, once we break above this 43, good chance we'll continue up and break to kind of above that 53, and that's really what I'm watching for. Because even if we stay, very elevated to the downside from where we were before, I would still expect us to be back above kind of, the 53 to kind of $62 level. So that's really what I'm paying attention to, and really looking just to trade the move and expecting closes above. And that's why I said I was looking at a credit or debit spread, because then I can pick a expiry that I like, and then I could say 2 or 3 months out, or even 2 weeks out, I think it's going to be above $55. And that's how I can be looking to get it. And again, on a trade like that, considering the prices all the way down here, it'll probably be a good 2 to 1, maybe even 3 to 1 reward to risk. So that would be what I'll be looking for. Just continue on with targets, but again, I don't think they're going to matter as much. It's just really watching, can we hold above that 53 when we get there? But we do also have targets at $72, $80, $92, and kind of $98. And again, if I was trading it the whole way, which I don't think I'd be looking to hold it that whole move, then kind of 100 would be where I'd be looking to get out. Reason for that big psychological level, and then really as well, we're coming into those statistical means, and that's would be the absolute kind of last level I would be holding. I don't think I'd be holding that long really anyway, but that would be an absolute kind of final target coming into this level. Big psychological level, going to be hard to break, and even if we do, coming into fair value right above that anyway. So that is a breakdown over on First Republic Bank. If you enjoyed the video, why not drop a like and subscribe, and check out this analysis video.